Hello, I'm Sarah's. I love painting. Let's create something beautiful.
Today, we are going to draw a cute black kitty. Start by drawing a big round head. Next, add 2 small ears on top of the head, shaped like soft triangles. Then draw the body under the head using a smooth oval shape. After that, add the legs by drawing 2 short front paws and 2 rounded back paws sitting on the ground. Draw the tail on one side of the body, making it long and curved like the letter S. Now draw the eyes as 2 big circles on the face and place a small nose between them with a tiny mouth under it. To color the cat, first color the entire body black, then color the eyes yellow and the inside of the ears pink. Finally, add light and shadow details with small soft highlights on the head, body, and tail, and gentle shadows to make the cat look cute and shiny. Hello, hello! I'm Brushy, the happiest paintbrush ever. Today, I want to tell you fun facts about cats. Did you know cats say meow to talk to people? Cats don't meow much to other cats. Cats sleep a lot cat, they can sleep many hours every day. Look at their whiskers. Wiggle, wiggle. Whiskers help cats know if they can fit in small places. Cats are fun and sweet. When we love them and care for them, they give us love too.
Goodbye! Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.